What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, we are doing another full head shave and some beard work. Now, if you haven't seen volume 1 to this, where I did another full head shave and beard, I will drop the link on the screen right now where you can click that. It'll take you directly to that video if you guys are interested. But basically, we're just shaving the full head with a straight razor, doing some beard work, blending it in, giving a sharp lineup, adding some fibers, making it look super crispy. So we just knocked down his beard with a number 1 guard close, and right here I'm going to take my liners and kind of bald out the top of his beard. I do this so when I do actually shave the head, it kind of seamlessly blends into the beard. It doesn't leave a harsh razor line that we have to deal with later. So that little step where you just bald it out before you blend out the beard and before you shave just goes a long way. And as far as blending the beard, it's just an upside down taper. Now, I have plenty of taper videos, plenty of beard videos. You want to start off with no guard closed. Instead of working up like we do in a taper, we're going to work going down. So going downwards, we're going to open the lever with no guard and then just blend it out going from there. So after no guard, we're going to slap on a number 0 guard and blend between no guard and the 1 guard that we took his beard down with. It's going to blend perfectly. So moving on to the pre-shave treatment, this is super important because the softer, the cleaner the hair, the cleaner the shave that you'll get. So this is some dry shampoo spray. Now you can spray this and then brush it out, or you can spray and leave it, depending on how you want to use it. For me, I sprayed on the hair and then I follow that up with a hot towel. I leave the hot towel on for like a minute or so. The shampoo combined with the heat is going to break down any oils and grease in the hair and just leave the surface super clean. But not only that, the hot towel really softens up the hair, and that's the main objective before you actually do this type of shave. Get the hair as soft as possible. So next, I'm going to apply some shave oil and then some shaving gel. This combo, this whole pre-shave treatment, it just leaves the hair super soft. It leaves the surface of the scalp moisturized, and the softer the hair, the more moisturized and lubricated the skin, the easier the razor is going to glide, and that's how you're left with a safer, cleaner shave. So yeah. Now, I do have a couple tips for you guys. Always keep that razor flat. The flatter the angle, the more safer the shave's going to be. If you're shaving at an upright 90-degree angle, you're just going to scrape the skin. If you scrape the skin with the straight razor, it's good night. We don't want that. So keep it at a flat angle. But not only that, always pull the skin in the opposite direction with your opposite hand. So if I'm shaving with my right hand and I'm shaving down, I'm gonna take my left thumb and pull the skin upwards. That way it just keeps tension on the skin. It's real tight, and if you have any loose skin or any bumps or any wrinkles, that's gonna get caught with the razor, and that can increase the chance of cutting someone, and that's what we don't want to do. So pull the skin, keep the razor flat, and it's really like riding a bike. As you guys can see, that pre-shave treatment is all important because it softens up that hair, it's lubricated, and the hair just falls off the scalp with little to no effort. There's no tug, there's no discomfort, there's no pain, there's no pulling, nothing. It's literally like wiping butter on the toast. That's really what it feels like. So that pre-shave treatment, do not sleep on it. You want to spend at least 5 minutes getting that head and scalp and the hair really ready to be shaved. I know people just like to slap on shaving cream and shave, but it's a little more to that to ensure that not only do you have a safer shave, you have a cleaner shave, but the post shave, you're not going to be left with razor bumps and razor irritation, razor burn. So take that pre-shave serious, and trust me, this is like riding a bike. It's so easy to shave someone's face or someone's head. So right here, I think I'll pop up a little tip for you guys. When you do a neckline, it's so important because one, it kind of contours the face. It kind of gives your jaw some type of structure. It kind of like, in a way, it can thin out someone's face if they have a chunky face. Not saying my client does. Whatever the case is, it kind of gives the client some type of jawline. It gives that defined masculine look. So don't take this line up too high because it can look weird, but also don't leave it too low. The perfect neckline can really structure someone's jaw and really make the haircut look that much better. Now here's the two main things I can stress for you guys when it comes to doing someone's beard. Never push the width back unless they tell you. Like if someone comes to you and says, hey, I want my beard a little bit thinner, I'm going for like a chin strap, whatever the case may be, okay, cool. But it's kind of like doing someone's lineup. You never want to push the hairline up and you never want to push the beard line down. Like for me, my beard is struggling, so I'm going to do everything in my power to make that width as wide as possible. Now you're going to have to take some off to create that sharp angled beard look, but never push it back. And the other thing I want to stress is have symmetry between the two sides of the cheeks. Now, just take a second, look at the other side of the beard and make sure your angles, make sure your swoop, make sure your hook is lining up on both sides of the face. Now, when it comes to applying hair fibers to the beard, me personally, I don't try to go for that fake look, but I do go for a full, uniform look. I want the beard to look full. I want it to look even. I want it to look blended and sharp as possible, but don't overdo it with the hair fibers or dye or whatever products are out there nowadays. Just a light coat, line it up, good to go. So moving on to the post-shave treatment is just as important as everything else in this video, because we want to clean, protect, and properly moisturize the skin to prevent any breakouts, any itching, any burns. So rubbing alcohol is perfect for this. It's going to disinfect that whole area that we just shaved. It's going to protect yourself as a barber, because we don't want people coming back with bumps on their head trying to blame you. After that, we're going to apply some hair mist, tea tree, castor oil, mint type of mist. I actually love this product. It's very good for scalp health. It soothes any itching, any dryness. It overall adds moisture and protection to the scalp. Now, this vitamin E cream, I'm not paid to say this. This has been a lifesaver for myself, for my stretch marks, my dry skin on my back and my shoulders, my face. I even put it in my hair. I don't know. It's just an amazing cream. I think vitamin E in general is just perfect and essential for the skin. Now, as you guys can see, I'm putting a generous, excessive amount on his head. Now, I want this to deeply penetrate the skin as much as possible. So I left that on for like a minute or two, let it do its thing, and then I wiped away any excess, and then I just massaged the rest into his scalp. Now, what this is going to do is going to deeply penetrate that tight, large area of skin, and I think that's perfect for building overall moisture in the scalp. So that's going to do for this video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. Leave a like if you did, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.